Hello everybody, welcome to this lesson. And this lesson we just want to talk about different things. We just want to talk about how to create upgrades inside your game. So not all the games got upgrades, but I just want to explain this in case you just want to develop your own game with upgrades. So here we got a durability example, and this example is related to life. So let's say we have some sort of shield protection and related to time, and once you get there you got level for this upgrade. So if you have, for example, the first upgrade, you're just gonna have, for example, 100 life. If you got second upgrade, you're just gonna get 200 lives, and so forth. So it's related to a certain item in your game, and you just want to upgrade on this item with money upgrade and increase the level. So every upgrade got a level. So for example, we have protection level 1, protection level 2, protection level 3, or life level 1, life level 2, life level 3, and so forth. So you can use this through something related to upgrades. So in this case, we just want to make here life durability, and we're just gonna give it an ID of life underscore dur underscore, and here we have to give a durability name, and we have life durability description, and each of these items is just used in order to define the upgrade. So we have a product ID, we have a durability name, and also we have a description. So in case you're talking about 5 levels of upgrade, so upgrade level 1, upgrade level 2, upgrade level 3, we have multi-levels, and they are related to the same product ID but with different identifiers we're gonna see in the next few seconds. So yeah, so you need to define these these 3 related items to the upgrade. So here we're talking about an upgrade named as life durability. So I can come back a little bit down, and here inside the upgrades regions, yeah, here we're just gonna define upgrades. So yeah, we're just gonna start with upgrade for life durability level 1. So here I'm just gonna define a virtual good, and for this virtual good we need to create upgrade. So in order to create upgrade for virtual good, we created a method here called create upgrade. So let me just go back and go down a little bit here. Okay, here let me just try to explain this for you here. Yeah, we got something called private static virtual good method here. Just returns virtual good and takes few arguments. It takes a virtual item, and it takes ID, it takes upgrade name, and it also takes a description. And also this method gonna take level, price, and is last. And why we need is last? Because in case of levels and in case of upgrade, you need to know what is the previous level and what is the next level when you do the upgrade. So here, if you go inside this method, we're just gonna know the previous level by using this if statement. So here we just check if the level is bigger than 1. We just gonna take the upgrade item plus level minus 1. So if it's level 2, I mean the previous level gonna be 1, and so forth. If this level is not bigger than 1, so this means that the next level is less than 1. So we're just gonna make the previous level to null. So this is the first case here. So if the previous level is bigger than 1, we're just gonna set it to level minus 1. If not, we're just gonna set it to null, which is basically 0. Alright, here for the var next item ID, we're talking about different thing. We're talking about we need to check if this item is last item. We need to if this is the last item, we need to set the next item to null. Else, if it's not the last item, for example, if we have 4 items and the last item is number 4, so we're just gonna set the next item for number 4 is null, but for number 3 we're just gonna set the level plus 1 here. So this is the first thing in order to make the upgrade. Here we just return virtual good with using this method, upgrade virtual good. We give it the ID, we give it the next item, the previous item, the name of the item, the upgrade description from the top and from here, and also give it the level, the upgrade item level, and we just give it the type of purchase. We need to purchase this with coin and with a given price. So here, this is the method, and we use this method here in order to create the upgrade. So we give it life, and we need to upgrade the item of life, and here we just give it life durability ID, and we give it the durability name plus 3, which is basically the amount that we need to increase the life durability. And here we need to give the life durable description, and here we can give the level of this life durability, which is level 1, and here we give it the price of 0. And you can notice the upgrade here, we just give it plus 7 here, and here we give it 2, we give it level 2, we give it price 12, and here we could just continue plus 15, 3, 30, and for the fourth item we just give it 4 and 80. And for the last item, there's a big tiny difference here. We just give it true at the last argument of the item here. So just basically you just go to the last item, set the flag true in case this is the last item of your upgrade. So how we achieve this criteria, we use something here inside the upgrade function, and we just use this flag, bool is less is equal false. So what do we mean by this? If you didn't give this argument, by default is last gonna be false. If you give it, just gonna take as it is. So that's why we use this inside the create upgrade function. So yeah, this is pretty much how you could create upgrade inside of your game, and how to make the dependencies between the previous and the next level, and how to set a unique name per each level, and how also to set a unique level and price per each upgrade. So yeah, this is pretty much guys about how you could create upgrade in your game. I hope just like this lesson. Don't forget to see us in the next lesson, because we just want to explore more details about how to finalize the iStore asset, how to let this return the virtual goods, how to sort the virtual goods, and also how to give a version for the iStore and do all that. So thank you guys again for watching this lesson. See you in the next lesson.